Welcome to the Tech Collective channel. Have you ever heard about prefab homes? They're buildings with built-in components, modules, or transportable sections, and some may be referred to as mobile homes. They're erected or assembled off-site and then transported to the location where it's intended to be situated. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 10 affordable modern prefab homes. But before we continue, press the subscribe button and bell icon for regular updates. Number 10. Leap Factory Frame. This building is the brainchild of Leap Factory, which is an Italian-based company that specializes in building prefabricated structures in extreme locations. The Leap Home Frame is a two-story, 1,400 square foot building built with little impact on the environment. The design is energy sufficient, which can make it easy to go off-grid. This building concept, Leap Factory, was born out of the idea of living in harmony with nature to create a frame. How they came up with the frame idea is unfathomable. The building is constructed according to the taste and budget of the intending owner. It includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a dining area, and more. It was designed so as not to consume as much energy. The home is powered by solar energy, which heats water with a solar thermal system. Panoramic openings in the home ensure that the inhabitants are connected with nature. Large sliding glass doors and a skylight can all be used as part of the design. Number 9. Ark Shelters. These are prefabricated furnished buildings that may be situated in a lake, deep in a forest, a steep mountain hill, or any extreme place. They're built in a single unit which provides unbelievable mobility to your dream location. The inhabitant can always grow the Ark to suit its needs. The Ark Shelters come in various sizes ranging from a single module to larger 300 square foot, 9-ton, double-size module. The full height windows and patio doors ensure that there's enough light and fresh air coming in, and they can also be closed to maintain privacy. There's a kitchen, bathroom, and other layout options. The shelters are handcrafted using materials that will ensure that the building enjoys a long lifespan. They're placed on the ground since the idea behind the Ark Shelter is to have a building that will not obstruct the environment. Shelters can be built to use renewable resources like rainwater and solar energy. Number 8. Woonpionier Indigo. The Indigo cabins built by Woonpioneers uses a substantial amount of biomaterials with the aim to create an awesome design between the dwelling and the environment. The building is made of materials like wood and cellulose, straw, wool, earth, and clay to minimize the use of artificial products. The idea behind this is to protect the environment as to these materials can be regrown or composted. With the modular unit, the cabins offer an effective way to make judicious use of materials, energy, and money. It will interest you to know that when they become redundant, they can be easily disassembled or composted, and they can also be reassembled to build another cabin. The cabin is 861 square feet, has fully glazed walls on the front and back, which allows natural light to enter the entire space. The kitchenette, bathroom, and shower are all situated in the central wooden area. The interior walls are designed with 3-layered wooden sheets which are made from pine wood. The floor is made of solid timber with a clear coating. Poured pigmented concrete can be used for the floor on the ground level and the bathroom. Number 7. Kithaus K5 and K6 series. Kithaus design and deliver contemporary prefab modules which transform open spaces into anything, including yoga studios, home offices, weekend retreats, pop-up kiosks, guest rooms, reality escape pods. Let's talk about the exterior part. The roof is corrugated and also has hardwood siding. Insulated panels are placed in the roof, ceilings, and floors to insulate the building. There's some wiring, and most fixtures are from IKEA, which is a retail company. The foundation of the body is on 6 concrete pillars. Talking about the interior, the ceilings and undercarriage are white laminate. The floors are made from natural bamboo or finished plywood. The bathrooms have a standard cement floor, and it comes with a frosted sliding glass door with a shower stall. Number 6. Living Home 10 Plat Design Studio. It's an accessory dwelling unit which packs all the amenities of a home into just 496 square feet, ensuring that it can be added to any property. The kitchen and bathroom separate the private sleeping quarters from the living space. The home is filled with natural daylight due to the multi-slide glass entry and tall windows. The bedroom is big enough to accommodate a queen-size bed. The Living Home 10 is designed to satisfy near-zero standards and uses the Bear Smart Home technology and energy monitoring. Its plumbing and mechanical core is compact and allows the unit to be delivered and assembled on any property. Number 5. DH Property or Architecture. This is a perfect building for a couple seeking privacy. The building starts with a low-technology design. It's situated in the center of two valleys in Taiwan. Being situated in a valley makes it difficult to make changes. The design was premised on the privacy of the inhabitants and to promote the awesome view of the valley. The plot's terrain was a problem to the builders, and they had to find a solution to it. To deal with the slanted foundation, the building was erected on top of steel pillars, which makes the house float over the hill. It's a small house with a slanted roof that allows water to flow easily during the rainy season. The nucleus of the house is a prefabricated steel skeleton that influences the symmetrical shape of the house. With metallic beam, the windows let in bright light, which is important in illuminating the building. The interiors are linear and clean, excluding excessive design. So if you're looking for a flashy house, this is not the one for you. Number 4. Modhouse AU3X Shipping Container. This is one of the smallest houses you will ever see, with some small and awesome packages. It is a one-bedroom apartment which has a natural evaporating cooling system, a water garden that produces cool breezes through the windows into the living space. It makes the most of the northern light, which brings warmth into the living areas. The window positioning allows the window to usher in cool breezes throughout the summer, while its double glazing decreases the heat during the summer. The house is water efficient because the rainwater tanks provide enough water for the usage of the entire home and garden. There's a solar panel system of 5 kilowatts which supplies the home with energy and all its power needs. The system also powers the hot water by a solar hot water system. Number 3. Custom Container Living Bedroom. Custom Container Living was established by a man named Robert Wagner in 2015 due to his love of alternative structures. Due to the inadequacies of the traditional home, Robert embarked on the mission to solve those challenges by making use of shipping containers. It's affordable and fast to build, and they're assembled in a shop. Building indoors allows materials being used to stay protected from elements, and also the craftsmen are able to work regardless of the weather conditions. Therefore, they are completed within a shorter time period compared to traditional homes. The container homes are made of steel and were originally built to withstand the harsh and rigorous conditions of inner sea transport. These are abandoned containers which are no longer in use. It's better to use the steel in erecting new structures rather than leave it to rust. The homes have a very high R insulation value, which creates less of a need for electricity and natural resources to power the home. Number 2. Unity Homes Nano Homes. This is the brainchild of Unity Homes, which developed the Nano design platform. This decision, according to them, was brought about by the requests they received for smaller homes. The design embodies Unity's intellectual design, top-notch delivery, and efficient production. It comes with various designs ranging from a single-story, one-bedroom plan of 400 square feet to the two-story building, which is a two-bedroom plan of 800 square feet. They have shed roofs, gable roofs, and the like, depending on the choice of the inhabitant. The interior ceilings can be as high as 8'9" or vaulted for a bigger space. The Unity's Nano design has been put to use in various ways, such as accessory dwelling units, workforce housing, studios, guest houses, and retirement homes. Number 1 on our list, Allwood Eagle Ridge 360 QF Cabin Kit. This was designed by Allwood, which is a home construction company owned by a Finnish carpenter, Tapai Pekla. It is the latest series in the company's collection of Eagle series. The Eagle Ridge is made from the same durable, solid Nordic spruce wood. While it can function as the ideal vacation home, it can also serve as an office, a business, and lots more. It may also serve as an accessory dwelling unit, an ACU. It's fascinating to note that compared to the traditional homes, the Eagle Ridge is both suited to urban and suburban areas. The terrace is optional, so therefore it comes with a very small footprint, 17 feet by 20 feet 4 inches. Its wall thickness is similar to the other two Eagle models. Its other features include pre-hung and glazed doors and windows, pre-assembled gables, screwed handle, and door locks. 10 great options for prefab homes. We would love to hear which one of these you would choose. Let us know. Kindly like the video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.